For this project, I am building an agent where I have the agent check its source code and compare it to a document such as a docmd file or a dot text file, and updates the readmes or dot text and dot js files to sync with the code logic. It's pretty straightforward to install the repository, just clone and set up the environment with the necessary dependencies. And the main things to look out for is running the code. There's two flags, a -- code flag and then a doc flag. The code flag it provides an argument for the users to specify the path to the source code that they want to use to update the logic, and then the doc argument is to support the path for updating the document that the user wants. And here's an interaction where I'm using a sample readme or a sample code. So basically, sample code is a simple function that calculates the total values of the arguments. And here it says that there is a drift found, meaning the document needs to be updated. The documentation says it omits the second parameter, tax rate, entirely. The function signature in the code requires two parameters, price and tax rate. It also shows that there's an incomplete description, which is calculates the total versus calculates the total price including tax. And then it will provide suggested updates. So here it'll provide to update what the parameters should be instead. So, and then provide with a description, so calculate the total price including tax, and etc. And in my evaluation, I have in evaluation scenarios where each scenario has a code.js and metadata of what type of scenario it is, and then a readme.md. The readme.md is basically the document that's supposed to summarize and describe the code, and then the code.js is supposed to be a function header or some type of meaning that supports the logic behind the code. And yeah, this is it.